I guess this is how I'll be starting every vlog until Marianne leaves. She's cooking. She's making stewed chicken. What you have in your... What you season it with?
Garlic, the usual fresh seasoning. Garlic, the onion, the thyme. You know, the usual fresh herbs. May have potato and carrot when I put down in it.
Okay.
And then little of the soy sauce.
Okay, so no browning. It's soy sauce.
It's soy sauce. If the soy sauce is not dark enough, you can tip a little browning.
Okay, but you don't usually use browning.
Usually, if you have a dark soy sauce, you're good.
Okay.
What I'm doing, I'm not doing the usual brown stew chicken where you fry the chicken and take it out and then you fry it.
I don't make mine like that either.
No, me I do the whole, I chop it up small.
Okay.
You can see small, so
smells so good.
it's literally, you just put it all in and just make it stay there and stew.
Right.
Catch it
Right.
do its own thing.
Okay. And so, it's of course it's cooking in the Dutchy.
Of course.
Ooh,
yeah, so,
okay, so Marianne cooking stewed chicken, you guys.
Yeah.
Every day. On every vlog since Marianne is here, somebody's begging you to start a cooking channel. I just comment and tell somebody that you don't have any time.
Oh Jesus,
I begged her to start a food channel too, but I guess she don't have any time. But maybe one day, you might never know.
Maybe.
Because she cooks so good and she always cooking so much food. If I was closer to her, I would definitely just make she film and I'll edit everything. She would definitely, I would literally manage her food channel myself. But anyway, you guys, I'll show you the end result and during what it looks like. Say good morning to the faves.
Good morning, faves.
And little Diva is waiting for her moment to shine. Say morning. She giving a silent treatment today. And Kian is down there on his phone and Richard is over there on Lego. And Tyler is in his room. Say morning. Say hello to faves.
Hello.
Where you going? Where are you going? Come here.
Hello, I'm a superhero.
I'm gonna find you. Ta-da! You're so silly.
Okay.
You're so funny.
Okay, I want to do that again, okay?
Okay. You wanna do what again? Hide?
Yes.
You're so funny. Mama go in her room.
I want to
Your faves to look for you, Alright, okay, hide. He's so funny, he's hiding right in front of me. I think I know where you are. I think I see your little eyes here. Ta-da! He's so funny. I want vanilla.
The vanilla one is finished.
Hi faves, good morning, good afternoon and good night to you guys. Happy new week. It's a new week. Hopefully you guys will achieve everything that you want to achieve during the course of this week. It's a new week, which means it's a new opportunity for you to start fresh and do something that you always scared of doing. Just go for it. Anyway, hopefully you guys enjoy today's vlog. If it's your first time to our channel, be sure to subscribe and catch up and keep up with the fam. Babe is officially back to work today. I miss him so much. He has been my rock, my strength, my everything since Sarah was born. He's been checking out every single stops for me since Sarah has arrived, and I just couldn't ask for anything else other than having Babe throughout this journey. He's just been amazing. So I'm home with the fam today. We're staying in and just doing little activities with the kids around the house. Sarah is griping at the moment. Her stomach is really hitting that colic stage and I can sense it. So she has been wiggling here and there. But I have what to take care of that, but I tried not to give her too much, and I also massage her stomach so that it can give her a little ease. Tyler is sneaking up on me, but yeah, she is taking a nap right now, so let me go ahead and show you guys my girl. There she is. She's sleeping and she's wearing her onesie that says, "Don't make me call my auntie." I love this onesie. So there she is, taking her beauty nap. Oh, my sweet girl. So other than her griping a bit, she's doing fine. Mama is doing fine, and I'm here relaxing while Mari is in the kitchen cooking. So now she's gonna add all her fandangos. Look at the big bell pepper. She's gonna add all the seasonings in.
It's whole, so it won't
Yeah, I figured. You haven't add any water to it?
No.
Okay, so it's bring its own.
It's bring its own.
Okay.
One thing when you're cooking, you don't add water.
No, I never add water to my stew chicken. I let it spring its own. I like it that way.
Exactly, because otherwise the water just literally water down the flavor.
Right. Right.
If you have to, if that's so cold, then that's different. But right now you can see don't need no water.
No.
Just
do you add ketchup to your stew chicken or no?
Just a little after.
Okay.
When it's like 5 minutes before you lock it up, kind of thing, just you know, heat a little.
Right.
Yeah. But right now just today and cook, do its thing.
Alright.
Never see this. I put in the sweet pepper after.
Okay. I see what you mean. Okay. Marianne about to finish up the stew chicken, so she's gonna add her flour mix. But she says she don't. What you say? You don't use cornstarch because
no, the cornstarch have its own. You know that cornstarch taste. When you add the sweet and sour chicken, you use cornstarch.
Right. So she said the cornstarch kind of take away her flavor.
Yeah, but this now, look. When I said with this, you can make it stay. Some people make it stay and suck down to gravy properly, but because I will pop it in me up, I didn't love gravy, so we can't make it suck down too much. It's just gonna be a whole. We like gravy,
right?
Yeah,
right.
So I can either use breadcrumbs or we use literally this spoon, half of this spoon, and just a tiny bit of water.
Okay. Okay, that's the end product.
That's the end. So the flour just give it a little gravy. Yeah. But not pudding thick.
Right.
You don't want it thick like a pudding.
Right.
Just enough.
Right.
You know. That's it. It's done. Brown stew chicken.
Alright, and we're gonna have this with Sunday Monday rice and potato salad and fresh salad. Who's awake and milk drunk and want to go back to sleep?
Who is the milk
Me and my
drunk?
babies. Look at the faves. Look at faves.
Who is the milk drunk?
She's milk drunk.
Me?
She have lots of mama titty. No?
Why can I not do wet?
Do you want to put her face?
Yeah.
No, you're not to play with her cheeks. She will get sick.
So will I do wet?
You can't do put on her.
Why?
Maybe.
Let me see.
Wait. Okay, come. Come see her now.
I'm starting to get hungry.
Alright, we're gonna have dinner. Marianne cooked delicious chicken. And we have rice from yesterday.
I want that.
You want that?
And that's
So why you foot on me?
it.
Alright, you ready to go have dinner? No.
Yes, and what
You do today? Come tell face what you did today.
what?
Tell face what you did today.
I
Stop jumping over your sister.
don't know.
You play with your toys and you did cards with mama and your cousins?
No.
What do you mean now? You're excited to have a sister?
No.
That's not cool.
Yes.
And now you're the big brother and the big baby, and she's the little baby and the little sister.
I'm not a little baby, and my sister's not a little baby. My sister's a big baby. Both of us are big baby.
You are right. And you're enjoying being a big brother?
No.
What? That's not cool. You don't like being a big brother?
No.
Why?
Because I have too much energy to say.
You have too much energy to say?
Yeah.
What do you mean you have too much energy to say? Huh? So you want me to carry back sister to the hospital and leave her there so you won't be a big brother anymore?
No.
But you say you don't enjoy being a big brother?
Yes.
So that means I'm gonna give her away. I'm gonna take her to the hospital and leave her there.
No.
Yeah, but you say you don't enjoy being a big brother.
I want to enjoy.
You want to enjoy? Take your foot off me. Come here, Fibs can't see you. But you say you don't enjoy being a big
But I
brother.
want to say, I want to do that.
So you were just joking?
Yeah.
You have to joke about that. You have to enjoy being a big brother.
I want to enjoy and want to inside. No.
Alright, I think you're about hungry. Let's go have dinner. Okay?
Okay.
Wait on me. Stay right there. Don't go anywhere. Put this girl down and go feed my baby boy.
My papa, my sister, and finally for all my family friends. Amen.
Amen.
Notification.
Shout out.
Shout out
Beautiful
to
Andrea Elcock. Andrea
Angela
Elcock.
Elsa
Judith Williams.
to Dick William.
I'm gonna show you all of them after. Miss Blue
Miss Blue.
and Francisca
Francisca.
said Dion P.
Said Dion P.
Alma Jones,
Alma Jones.
Pasta Sinara,
Pasta Sinawa.
A Blessed,
Blessed.
Lady J Queen.
Lady J Queen.
So thanks for watching, everyone.
Thanks for watching, everyone.
So what else there to do? What else there to do?
Ketchup and pepper.
And what else? See you guys. And what else?
Hide and seek.
Alright, tell him tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. Move, you play too much. Alright, night night. Wait. You want her to sleep with you tonight? Alright. No, I tell you don't play with your cheek.
Toch gaan we met
Just put with your hand like this, softly. Alright, no more put. Oh, tell them what you're doing.
Cinnamon.
You making?
God.
Oh, son. Oats and cornmeal.
Cinnamon and water boiling. And this is 90% oats and about 10% cornmeal. Fine cornmeal.
Now
So,
what you have in it? What are you using to soak it?
to soak it is the milk. The normal cow's milk. Then you're gonna put this, let it go and cook with the nutmeg. Good, yes. But you see, it does make a difference though, doesn't it?
Okay. Especially the cinnamon leaves.
Alright.
It makes a huge
Huge difference.
And the rice and peas, the pimento seed, you carry actual pimento seed or is the seed?
No, it's in the seed. That's why I use that seasoning, because it's got everything in it. Literally everything.
For me, this is too strong.
It's too strong. Well, if it's too strong,
This.
instead of nutmeg, it's too strong. If it's too strong, you just hold back on the amount you use. That's all. Because
I mean, for example, because I don't get it, but when I warm the porridge and I test it to make sure that it's hot enough, every time I can't stand it.
Yeah.
Too strong for me.
Well, just if like when Mel making it for you,
No, she don't do
all
that.
she has to do is just hold back. But because I like the taste,
That's all personal.
yeah.
I don't say
But
it
you
tastes
do it-
bad. I mean, I can't.
Yeah, you personally,
It's,
I get
it's
that.
me personally.
Yeah. I get that. But yeah.
Just being here and smelling it is hard for me.
Jeez, that means the smell of it really does upset you. Then some people different, innit?
Just now, I didn't see it, but
But
I
you can
can tell
smell
you that something was here. And it's too strong.
Yeah, I understand. I need a red bottle.
So then Princess, alright. Say hi guys, I'm smelling the porridge. I want some before bed.
What you mean you want some before bed?
You want some before bed?
Are you bed fully and you take 10 pounds?
Tell them no, I get it through Mama Kiki.
You have to keep stirring it so it doesn't stick or you get lumpy. And if it starts thickening up too much, you just add a little milk and it will loosen up.
So you're mixing both milk?
Yes, because I find that the full one is more creamy. So give the porridge a more full cream type of taste than.
I can't stand this milk.
Oh God! Oh, you should see Luna's face.
Can't
It's
stand
like, what the hell? It sounds yummy to some, and some is just like.
Yeah, it's like this.
Vanilla.
Did you taste it?
I didn't have to.
Oh, you have used it at the last.
Just have a stadium one.
Hey guys, well, it's the end of the day. I just come here to enter the vlog. Well, like you can see, I wasn't at home. Back to work. Yeah, so I think babe have a good day. I don't know exactly what she did, but I will discover it in the same time than you. She tell me she stay home. I think she have a lot of fun. Hope she manage. All of the kids are not here anymore to help her, but gotta do what I gotta do. Yeah, otherwise I hope you enjoy to the vlog. About me, you know how is it when it's your first day at work. Was hard in the morning just to adjust to I'm gonna say like morning time. Don't used to wake up at 6 a.m. so yeah, hopefully today it's gonna be a better day, and I will be a little bit in the vlog, but yeah, I just wanted to come to end today, so at least you can have news from me. Thank you for watching. Keep up and catch up sounds like ketchup. keep up and catch up. Don't forget to like, to subscribe if you didn't, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.